नमस्कार मित्रांनो. आपण CPS 1/2 करिक्युलम अँड पेडागॉजिक स्टडी स्कूल सब्जेक्ट फर्स्ट अँड सेकंड इंग्लिशचा अभ्यास करत आहोत. We have started to learn unit number 1, nature of language. Here today we will learn 1.4, that is place of English. So let's see the place of English. In our syllabus we have three types of place of English, that is A, in India with special reference to three language formula, and second is in Maharashtra state, and third is in present school curriculum. So let us see the place of English in India with special reference to three language formula. Friends, you must have learned about the three language formula at the graduation level. All of you know that English is a very important language in India too. The study of English language plays an important role in the education process in India. All of you know that. But the three language formula was developed for the educational load to be fairer to promote national integration. See, India is the country where we use so many languages. According to state, we have a different languages. For example, in Maharashtra we have Marathi, in Gujarat we have a Gujarati language. So, to integrate all the nations, we must have one language. For that purpose, to promote national integration, we have selected the English language. So that the three language formula was developed for the educational load. That is, it means that to fairer the educational load to integrate the nation. So it provides choice in the school curriculum too, though it is a compulsory, but it provides a choice in the school curriculum also. So whether you have to select as a medium or not, etc. We have so many things, we will learn it. So the three language formula accommodate the interest as mother tongue and regional language. So this is the one thing, that in this three language formula we have a mother tongue and regional language. Then we have national pride and unity language, that is Hindi. As a national pride language we have a Hindi language, and for the administrative efficiency and technological process we have a English language. So that is the combination of these three language formula. So let us see about the three language formula. In three language, all of you know that the three language formula was introduced by the Kothari Commission in 1964 to 66. It was suggested by this commission, and according to this commission, English plays as second or third language. Second in the sense those are Hindi speaker states, they select as a second language, and it is third language that those have a different regional language, such as Maharashtra have Marathi regional language. So that first language is the Marathi and the second language is a Hindi. That's why it is in some state it is a second language or it is a third language. So it plays differently. So one of the compulsory subject it is. Nowadays it is a one of the compulsory subject in a school curriculum also. So it is taught for a duration of 3 years. According to this commission, it was compulsory from class 8 to 10. From 8 to 10 it is compulsory subject. So it is taught for 3 years, that as a compulsory subject. Again it is taught for a duration of 6 years too, from class 5th to 10th. But those who want to study it, they can choose it from the 5th class. So we have a choice here to study for the study. So according to Kothari Commission, no language should be made compulsory after class 10. So this is another very important thing in this commission, that that no language should be made compulsory after class 10. So while study all these things, we have two types of English language, that is rise of two types of English. So who are interested to learn English, they can learn it from class 5th. It means that though have interested to learn it, they can choose it from the 5th class. But second one is that it is compulsory from 8th standard. So it was the compulsory from the 8th standard. So three language formula according to Kothari Commission is that at the lower primary level, that is class 1st to 4, it is mother tongue is used as a medium of instruction. That is the first one. At a higher primary stage, that is class 5th to 7, two languages, that is first one is that mother tongue or regional language, or second one is that Hindi or English. For example, in Maharashtra, I have just given you an example. Our mother tongue is the Marathi, or we have a regional language as a Marathi. So that is the first language, and as a national pride language, we use Hindi as a second language. But some states, that is for example, take an example of southern state, it is the second language is the English language. So that is the different according to the region. Lower secondary stage class 8 to 10, three language formula is there. First is the mother tongue, that or regional language, second one is the English, and third one is the national language Hindi. That is the at the lower secondary stage. So class 8 to 10. So this is the three language formula given by the Kothari Commission. But in Maharashtra, we accept English as a third language. That is first is Marathi, second is Hindi, and third is English. So that is the three language formula in Maharashtra. English medium school accept it as a second language or first language too. So according to the schools, according to commissions, proficiency necessary for those who proceed to the universities. See, it means that this is another very important thing recommended in this commission, that those who wanted to take the university education, they must be got proficiency in this language. That is the important thing. So in Maharashtra, nowadays in Maharashtra, government introduced it from the first standards, from the that is the very important thing. So this is the place of English according to the three language formula. Now let us see the place of English in Maharashtra state. So friends, it is in Maharashtra, it is an official language. It means that it is used in courts and administration. So suppose you went to bank, you went to the government offices, we have some documents in this language. That is, it means that it is an official language. But it is also official language of the courts. So whatever the judgment we have available, they are in this language. So for that purpose, it is a official language in Maharashtra. Then it is a medium of instruction in education and examination. There are so many examination which are held in this language. That is it means that it is the medium of examination. Then it is the medium of instruction in education too. So we have expected that that at the graduation level, the English is mostly used, that is in science faculty, etc. So it is the medium of instruction too. Then we have so many English medium schools, etc. They use the medium of instruction as a English. So again, it is a compulsory subject in school curriculum. As a school subject, it is a compulsory. This is the one thing in Maharashtra. It is a linked language between state to state and state to center. Suppose the Maharashtra state want to correspond with the other state, they use this language to link state to state. Again, they use English to link the state to center also. So that is the that purpose we call it as a linked language. Then it is used in trade. Again, we have very important thing about this language, that it is mostly used in a trade. So a trade is the very important thing. Again, it is used in educational exchange too. Suppose we have to exchange some persons or resources, we use it as a educational action. So in Maharashtra, if you find these points, we can understand the place of English in Maharashtra. Again, it has a got important place in a school curriculum because it is a compulsory subject. It is a link language between the state to state and state to center. It is mostly used in a trade. Suppose you brought a TV at your home, you have the information in that language. So it is mostly and widely used trade language. So we have so many things in Maharashtra also. It explains the place of English in Maharashtra. Now let us see the place of English in present school curriculum. In present school curriculum, again we have the same points what we have covered in the last two. Let us see. It is a third language in our school curriculum. That is, the first language we have a Marathi language, second one is a Hindi, and third one is a English. It is a compulsory language from the first standard in Maharashtra or in school curriculum. So it is the third language. That is the important place of English in our in school curriculum. Then it is a compulsory subjects too. So as a language, it is a compulsory subject from the first standard. We have already explained it. So it is a medium of instruction too. So there are so many courses, and we have that we have medium of instruction is English language. So it is a medium of instruction in education, in examination, whatsoever. So it is one of the school subject, as just we have explained the compulsory subject, but it is a one of the school subject from first standard to the 12th. That is the important thing. It is a one of the school subject. It is a first language in English medium schools too. So it is a first language in English medium school. All these points are explain the present place or status of English language in our school curriculum. So whatever I have present before you, I have take the reference from this book. You also study it and got in detail about this topic. So here we let's stop. Thank you.